Have you ever stopped to wonder why silver, a metal used in everything from electronics to jewelry, seems to quietly hold so much power over our wallets and economies? Today, silver is hovering near $95 per ounce. And while that number may just look like digits on a screen, it tells a story far bigger than the market charts themselves. In this video, we're going to take a close, careful look at what these current prices really mean, how they affect everyday people, and what might be ahead for this fascinating metal. We're not here to chase hype or react to headlines. Instead, we will calmly break down the forces behind silver's movements. So whether you're a long-time investor, a casual stacker, or someone simply curious about the metals market, you'll come away with clear insights. Silver has always had a dual identity. It is both a practical metal, used in industry and technology, and a store of value, cherished in coins, jewelry, and investments. Unlike paper money, which governments can print, silver is a physical asset. Its supply is limited by mining output, and its demand comes from industries like electronics, photovoltaics, medical applications, and, of course, investment markets. Historically, silver has served as a hedge against inflation, a complement to gold, and a barometer of economic confidence. In recent years, the metal has seen extraordinary attention, driven by a combination of industrial growth, investment demand, and broader economic trends. Its rise has not been linear. Silver moves in cycles, often sharply in one direction or another, influenced by forces both visible and hidden. Looking at today's market, the spot price of silver in the United States is approximately $95.28 per troy ounce. That translates to about $3.06 per gram and roughly $3,060 per kilogram. These numbers have risen modestly from previous measurements, showing small incremental gains. While a fraction of a dollar or a few grams may seem negligible to casual observers, they represent meaningful shifts in the global metals market. For perspective, even small movements in silver prices can impact industrial budgets, investment portfolios, and consumer pricing for products that rely on silver. It has a ripple effect. The price of silver at the spot market level influences larger economic and manufacturing decisions around the world. So, what is driving these current prices? There are several important factors. First, industrial demand remains strong. Silver's electrical conductivity makes it indispensable in electronics, from smartphones to solar panels. Global manufacturing trends, especially in technology and renewable energy sectors, create a steady pull on silver supply. Even modest expansions in these industries can increase demand enough to influence prices. Second, investment interest plays a significant role. As a tangible asset, silver attracts investors seeking safety during periods of market uncertainty or inflationary pressures. Physical bullion, coins, exchange-traded products contribute to that demand. Third, currency fluctuations, particularly in the strength of the US dollar, affect silver pricing. The stronger dollar tends to make silver more expensive for buyers using other currencies, potentially moderating demand, while a weaker dollar can have the opposite effect. Together, these forces combine in subtle and sometimes surprising ways, guiding silver's movements without dramatic headlines. Recent trends have also contributed to the current price level. Over the past several months, silver has experienced incremental upward momentum. Analysts have noted that this rise has coincided with periods of market uncertainty, moderate inflation concerns, and technological growth. The incremental increase of roughly 71 cents per ounce, or a small percentage per gram and kilogram, reflects cautious optimism in the market. It is important to note that these are not headline-grabbing jumps, but steady movements that signify accumulation and measured investment rather than panic or speculation. Investors and observers should recognize that these small daily changes can compound over time, shaping medium to long-term trends in both investment portfolios and industrial planning. But what does this mean for the average person? For those who own silver coins, bars, or ETFs, today's prices may appear abstract, yet they influence real-world value. Consider someone purchasing a small silver coin for collection or investment. Even small price shifts alter the cost they pay today versus the value they could realize tomorrow. For industrial buyers, these price levels impact production budgets. Electronics manufacturers, medical equipment producers, and solar panel companies all account for the cost of silver in their overhead. When silver prices rise, marginally higher production costs can translate into higher prices for end consumers. Conversely, when prices decline, it may offer a slight easing in those same costs. Understanding these movements helps both investors and everyday buyers make more informed decisions. Looking ahead, careful predictions suggest that silver is likely to continue to experience measured fluctuations rather than extreme volatility in the immediate term. Analysts note that the market is currently balancing several competing forces: continued industrial demand, cautious investment accumulation, and macroeconomic factors such as currency valuations and broader market confidence. It's possible that we may see minor retracements as some investors take profits from recent gains, but historical patterns indicate that these corrections often set the stage for additional upward movements over time. This is not a guarantee, of course, but rather a reflection of observed market behavior and the interplay of supply and demand forces. From a big picture perspective, silver is part of a broader ecosystem of precious metals that reflects economic health, technological growth, and investor sentiment. Unlike volatile equities or speculative markets, silver combines physical scarcity with real world utility. Its performance today is not just a number on a trading screen, it is a window into global industrial production, monetary confidence, and long term investment strategies. By following these movements carefully, individuals can better appreciate how silver interacts with larger economic trends, and how it may serve as a stabilizing or speculative asset, depending on one's approach. Ultimately, the story of silver today is one of steady interest, modest gains, and measured attention. It is not a market of sudden shocks, but a living, breathing indicator of economic forces at work. While the price per ounce may fluctuate by $1 or $2 in a day, the implications ripple across industries, investments, and portfolios worldwide. For anyone considering silver as an investment, a hedge, or part of their collection, these insights help frame expectations and encourage informed decision making. Silver remains a tangible asset with historical significance, industrial relevance, and potential long term value. By understanding its movements in context rather than chasing sensational headlines, viewers can approach silver with clarity, patience, and informed perspective. In conclusion, silver's current price of approximately $95 per ounce is a reflection of steady industrial demand, ongoing investment interest, and macroeconomic dynamics such as currency strength. The small daily gains observed in grams and kilograms illustrate incremental accumulation rather than volatility-driven speculation. For everyday observers, investors, and industrial buyers alike, these price movements have practical implications, affecting purchasing decisions, portfolio value, and production costs. While future predictions remain cautious, the big picture underscores silver its unique position as both a functional metal and a store of value. By watching trends calmly and understanding the underlying factors, anyone can make more informed choices and gain a deeper appreciation for the complex world of precious metals. Silver is more than a number. It is a lens through which we can observe the interactions of economics, industry, and human behavior. The story continues to unfold, and as markets evolve, silver remains a steadfast, quietly powerful part of the global financial landscape.
Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all if you are doing great and having an amazing day. My name is Noor Baqi and I am really excited to start this new journey with all if you. You know, this channel is not just about videos, it is about story and ideas and inspiration. I created this channel to sharing something positive every signal week. Sometimes we all need little motivation, and sometimes we just need a good story to smile again. Decide exactly what this channel is all about. You find understanding stories, real life experience, and powerful lessons that can change the way you think. I be uploading new videos regularly. So if you don't want to miss any of them, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you get notification when you post something new. Your support means everything to me, and to great we can build a community full of fraternity, learning, and good vibes. So sit back, relax, and let us begin this amazing journey together. Thank you so much for watching and welcome once again.